You can program your 2015-2021 Ford F-150 flip key remote yourself, saving time and money. This method uses the vehicle's built-in programming mode. Ensure all doors are unlocked. Insert the key into the ignition. Turn ignition to on, run, then off. Repeat 5 times within 10 seconds. You should hear a chime or horn beep, indicating programming mode. Press any button on the remote top parrot. Repeat for any additional remotes. Turn key off and remove it to exit. Test all remotes to ensure they function correctly. Note, errors can erase all paired remotes. Consider your experience before attempting, as errors can erase all paired remotes. Aftermarket remotes may not always work. Using Ford OEM remotes is recommended to avoid compatibility issues. Ensure the remote's battery is fresh. If the horn doesn't beep when cycling the ignition, it may indicate a module fault, requiring professional assistance. Also, be aware of emerging trends. Ford's moving towards digital key solutions and smartphone app integration, Ford Pass. Future F-150 models may rely less on physical keys. While DIY programming remains viable for 2015-2021 models, staying informed about Ford's evolving keyless entry technologies is important. Consider security, as cybersecurity incidents involving hacked remotes are rising, pushing Ford toward digital alternatives.